guys, it's the girl with the fro and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. I just wanted to send a quick shout out to Kanya and Tombela. I hope I said that correctly. I want to send a shout out to her because if I am not mistaken, she is my 500 subscriber. So guys, we made it to 500. Shine. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. It's just so crazy because I was convinced that I was gonna get to 500 next year, but you know, it happened the way it happened because of you guys, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. So yeah, now that I've said my thank yous, let's get started with this makeup tutorial. Okay, so in this makeup tutorial, we're going to be doing look number 2 of the Seasons Beating series, and this is a series where I'm going to do 3 different holiday looks, you know, for us girls who are not that great at makeup. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be using some green eyeshadow. I'm going to keep the nude lip, and yeah, we're just going to be using a little bit more eyeshadow than we did in the last time, but I'm still going to keep it very simple, very easy, and it's just going to be, yeah, this one is for those girls who just want to experiment, hey? Like, let's turn ourselves into the Grinch that snatches wigs. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. Okay, so with the eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Beauty Treats palette. You guys saw it in the last video as well. The Beauty Treats Professional palette, I used it the last video and I'm going to use it again today. This is what it looks like, and this is what we're going to be working with, this right here. So let's get started, shall we? First thing we're gonna do is use this brown. Oh shit. We are gonna use this brown, this one right here. Yeah, the darkest one there. We're gonna use that brown to just create like a transition color just by the crease there. I don't know if I'm using the right terminology, but lengushishamos. And then we are gonna go for this, which green was it again? I think it's this green. Yeah, this green, the second one here, like from the bottom, the circle one. Ish. So we're gonna use that green to kind of like put it right there, right there. For this really bright green, right, I just want to put some concealer on just to make sure we can see the green and not all this darkness. Guys, did I just cut my crease? Hey, wow. I'm sorry, this was supposed to be very simple, guys. The spirit guided me into something else. I am so sorry, but yeah. Then we're gonna just use this green over here. Just pack it on. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, and then you're gonna go with the dark green that I used by the outer part. You're gonna go in with it at the bottom, okay? That's your lower lash line. Okay guys, we are done with this eye. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do the same thing we did on this eye to that eye. Now I'm just gonna skip over that part because this is a really long process and I don't want this video to be too long. So let me just go do it and I'll catch up with you in a little bit, okay? Okay, so now we are done with the shadows for the two eyes. I'm just gonna show you guys how we're gonna finish off this look. Firstly, you gotta have this white pencil. Mine is kind of the label is rubbed off, but this is from, it's a Kajal pencil in white number 4. It's from Essence, and we're just gonna put it on the lower lash line. We're just gonna clean out, like, you see, this is why you're supposed to do your eyeshadow before you do your foundation, because now I have to clean up around the eye, but I've already done my foundation, so I'm taking myself back. So you guys, whoever is gonna recreate this look at home, eyeshadow before foundation, okay? Okay, so now we're done with the shadow. We've put some white eyeliner. We're gonna put on some mascara. Let me put this on. And today we are going to be using Mark by Avon Big and Extreme. So now we are done. Let's contour our face. We are going to use the Beauty Treats palette again. This palette has like shadow, bronzer, eyeshadow, so it's literally all in one, you know. I'm going to use the bronzer, the darkest bronzer, to contour my face. Let me show it to you guys, but you guys already know it. There you go. And again, nothing hectic, you know. Just a nice jawline, yeah. Now we are going to contour our face. I am going to highlight. I am going to highlight. First, I'm going to use this Yardley StayFast Pressed Powder Refill in Caramel Fudge, okay? I bought this what do you call this powder in the wrong shade, so now I just use it to highlight here and there, and mostly like I use it underneath my eyes for my eye bags, you know. And then we're gonna finish off our highlighting with this highlighter right here. I got it from Discam, 90 Rand if I remember correctly. It's Wow Shimmer, and it's the goldest. This is the goldest. It doesn't really have a name, the shade, because it's like written in, I don't know what this language is, but it is the goldest shade there, because there are 3 different shades, so just get the goldest shade. And now we are gonna do the lips. So first things first, we have to line the lips with this long lasting eye pencil by Essence in color hot almost broke it. In color hot chocolate, in shade hot chocolate, I mean. But yeah. Then we're gonna go on the inside of that with this soft contouring lip liner in shade 12 called Heart of Stone. So now we are gonna apply this lip gloss that I told you guys in my last video from this Kim, 15 Rand, really amazing pigment, really natural nude lippy vibes. That's the one right there. And then we are going to put on some setting spray because we're all done. We need to set the makeup now. I am going to be using the setting spray. It's really amazing. I love it. It's from Woolies. It doesn't make you matte. It doesn't, like, you know, it just makes you nice and dewy. It's like 130 Rand. So go use it, guys. I forgot one part of the eye, which is this inner part right here. You have to put like a shimmery shade of something. So we are going to use, oopsies, we are going to use this 77 High Gloss eyeshadow palette by Foschini for Beauty. It comes in something like this. I got it on sale. It was, the original price was 170 Rand. I got it on sale. It was 42 Rand. Okay. I am very proud of that. I don't care. So let's just finish off nyana yabo. So there's a row of greens, so you can just pick whatever green you want. I think I'm gonna go like really bright, and I'm gonna put this first green. Okay guys, we are done with the tutorial. As you can see, today's eyeshadow was a little bit more complex than the previous video, but every other aspect of this makeup tutorial was completely easy. You know, minimal foundation, you know, the nude lip, and the only tricky part, to be honest, of the eyeshadow is blending those different shades. But other than that, very easy, quick to the point. You know, Wasleya, okay. We're looking good. We are dewy. We are ready for the summer. We are ready for the holidays. We are ready to just go ahead and snatch wigs because we are the Grinch, okay. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to tag me if you try this look. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye. Oh, and I just wanted to say, hey, 500 subscribers. We are done for the day, guys. I will see you next time.